Really, it's a fabulous question, because this will, at the end of the day, bringing those elements, the stakeholders together, that will, in the end of the day, be decisive about whether or not the fourth industrial revolution happens peacefully, or whether we see burning cars in the street. Because the digital age is has a very simple attitude. It produces winners and losers. It's digital. It's in or out. It's 1 or 0. So there is no middle thing in between. Either you're in or you're out. It's just choose. You have a choice, but only one. And so therefore, if something is in or out, if something is binary or digital, humans, leadership, needs to be inclusive of society, because otherwise the digital age splits society too, and that cannot be, because society is human and human is analog. It's emotion, it's it's vision, it's things like that, and of course also people being concerned about the future. So we need to have answers to that, and the best way to do it, you are inclusive of all the societal stakeholders, the industry, science, NGOs, and of course the political leadership, which also shows people the way from the regulatory environment. And therefore this is a perfect way of making an integrative, peacefully, highly effective fourth industrial revolution, which then again will make a better world in the end, as the 3 of them prior to the fourth have already been, because all of them made the world a better world in the end. It's just one single difference this time, why this could be more complicated, and that's connectivity. In the old world, when there was the steam machine was being built and replacing hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of agricultural workers, people were in isolated environments. They couldn't connect within seconds to form a global opposition. Now they can. So again, inclusiveness of society will become very important, and then I'm very, very sure that also the fourth industrial revolution will make the world a better planet. You said man versus machine. I'm saying man and machine, and that's what leadership needs to do, and then we'll be fine.